Fresh kiwi juice begins long before any machinery is switched on inside a factory. Its quality, flavor, and nutritional value are determined at the very first stage, deep in the orchards where kiwi vines grow under carefully controlled conditions. Precision farming is the foundation of premium kiwi juice production, and every decision made in the field directly affects the final product that reaches consumers. Kiwi cultivation is a highly specialized agricultural process. Kiwi plants are sensitive to climate, soil quality, water availability, and sunlight exposure. Farmers select growing regions with mild temperatures, well-drained fertile soil, and low risk of extreme weather. Before planting even begins, soil is tested for nutrient balance, pH levels, and organic matter. If the soil lacks essential minerals, it is enriched naturally to support long-term vine health rather than short-term yield. Kiwi vines are trained on trellis systems that allow optimal airflow and sunlight penetration. This is not done for appearance alone. Proper airflow reduces fungal diseases, while even sunlight exposure ensures consistent fruit size and sugar development. Farmers prune vines regularly, removing excess growth so the plant focuses its energy on producing high-quality fruit rather than excessive foliage. Throughout the growing season, irrigation is managed with precision. Too much water can dilute flavor and weaken the fruit, while too little can stunt growth and reduce juice yield. Modern kiwi farms often use drip irrigation systems controlled by sensors that monitor soil moisture in real time. This allows water to be delivered directly to the roots in the exact amount needed, reducing waste and maintaining fruit consistency. Pest and disease management is another critical factor. Instead of relying heavily on chemicals, many modern farms use integrated pest management techniques. These include natural predators, biological controls, and careful monitoring to prevent infestations before they spread. The goal is not only to protect the crop, but also to ensure the fruit remains safe for juice production, minimizing chemical residues that could affect taste or safety. As the kiwi fruit develops, farmers closely monitor maturity indicators. Unlike some fruits, kiwis do not fully ripen on the vine. Harvesting too early results in sour juice with poor aroma, while harvesting too late increases the risk of bruising and spoilage. To determine the perfect harvest time, growers measure sugar content, firmness, and acidity using handheld testing devices. These measurements ensure the fruit has reached the ideal balance required for juice extraction. Harvesting itself is a slow and careful process. Kiwis are almost always hand, because mechanical harvesting can damage the delicate flesh inside the tough outer skin. Workers are trained to twist and remove each fruit gently, avoiding pressure that could cause internal bruising invisible from the outside. This step is critical, because even minor internal damage can lead to oxidation, off flavors, or microbial growth during processing. Once picked, the kiwis are placed into ventilated crates designed to prevent compression and heat buildup. Heat is the enemy of freshness, and even a few hours of excessive warmth can reduce juice quality. The crates allow air circulation and protect the fruit during transport. From the orchard, the kiwis are moved as quickly as possible to the processing facility, often within the same day. Speed alone is not enough. Handling during transport is just as important. Trucks used for kiwi transport are typically covered or refrigerated to shield the fruit from sunlight and temperature fluctuations. Sudden temperature changes can cause condensation, which promotes mold growth and reduces shelf life. Maintaining stable conditions preserves the integrity of the fruit until it reaches the factory. When the kiwis arrive at the processing facility, the emphasis on quality continues. The receiving stage acts as a second gatekeeper, ensuring that only fruit meeting strict standards enters juice production. Factory staff conduct visual inspections, checking for signs of damage, decay, or irregular shape. Random samples are taken from each batch to test sugar levels, firmness, and internal quality. Modern factories rely heavily on digital tracking systems at this stage. Each batch of kiwi is logged with information about its farm of origin, harvest date, and transport conditions. This traceability is essential for food safety, quality assurance, and regulatory compliance. If any issue arises later in production, the factory trace it back to its source and take corrective action. After approval, the kiwis move into the cleaning phase, where careful handling remains a priority. Washing is designed not only to remove dirt and residues, but also to protect the fruit's structure. High-pressure water sprays are calibrated to be strong enough to clean yet gentle enough to avoid damaging the skin. Advanced facilities use filtered, food-grade water treated with ozone or UV light to eliminate surface bacteria without leaving chemical residues. Even at this stage, quality control does not stop. The washed fruit is continuously monitored for appearance and integrity. Any kiwi showing signs of cracking, bruising, or abnormal softness is automatically removed from the line. This prevents compromised fruit from affecting the flavor or safety of the juice. Sorting and grading represent one of the most technologically advanced steps in the entire process. High-speed cameras and optical scanners analyze each kiwi in milliseconds. These systems evaluate size, shape, color consistency, and even internal density. Artificial intelligence algorithms compare each fruit against predefined quality standards, ensuring objective and consistent decisions that human inspection alone could not achieve at such speed. This precision sorting ensures uniformity, which is vital for juice production. Uniform fruit leads to predictable juice yield, consistent sweetness, and stable color. Without this step, variations in fruit quality could result in batches of juice that taste different from one another, undermining brand reliability. After sorting, the selected kiwis move forward to preparation stages such as peeling and cut-in. Here again, careful handling is essential. Modern peeling machines are designed to remove the outer skin with minimal waste, preserving as much flesh as possible. Excessive peeling would reduce yield and increase cost, while insufficient peeling could affect texture and taste. Cutting the fruit in uniform pieces ensures even extraction later. Uneven sizes could lead to over-processing some pieces, while under-processing others, resulting in inconsistent juice quality. Throughout this stage, temperature control plays a key role. Keeping the fruit cool slows enzymatic reactions that cause browning and nutrient loss. All of these steps reflect a single underlying principle. Fresh kiwi juice is not created by machines alone, but by discipline, consistency, and respect for the raw ingredient. The factory does not fix poor farming, it amplifies good farming. Every careful decision made in the orchard, every gentle movement during harvest, and every quality check along the way contributes to the final juice. This approach also supports sustainability. By rejecting damaged fruit early, reducing waste through precise peeling, and maintaining efficient water and energy use, modern kiwi juice production balances quality with environmental responsibility. Many facilities repurpose rejected fruit for animal feed, compost, or secondary products, ensuring that as little as possible goes to waste. Ultimately, the reason fresh kiwi juice tastes vibrant, balanced, and naturally refreshing is because quality is protected at every stage before extraction even begins. Precision farming ensures the fruit develops its full flavor potential. Careful harvesting preserves its internal structure. Controlled transport maintains freshness. Rigorous inspections prevent compromised fruit from entering production. By the time the kiwi reaches the juicing stage, its quality has already been decided. The juice is not made better by processing, it is preserved by it. This is why the journey from farm to factory is the most critical part of kiwi juice production, and why true freshness is the result of countless small decisions made long before the juice ever reaches a bottle. Modern kiwi juice owes its freshness, flavor, and nutritional power not only to the quality of the fruit, but to the advanced technology that protects it at every stage after harvesting. Once the kiwis enter the factory, technology becomes the silent guardian of taste and safety, ensuring that what reaches the consumer is as close as possible to freshly squeezed fruit. The first major role of technology appears in the cleaning and sanitation stage. Although kiwis arrive from farms that follow strict agricultural practices, their outer skin still carries dust, microorganisms, and environmental residues. Modern factories rely on multi-stage washing systems designed with precision rather than force. Filtered water, carefully regulated pressure, and controlled flow rates ensure thorough cleaning without damaging the fruit. In many facilities, ozone-treated or UV-sterilized water is used, which neutralizes bacteria and pathogens without the use of harsh chemicals. This allows the fruit to remain clean while preserving its natural aroma and surface integrity. After washing, automation takes over the sorting and inspection process. This is where technology truly surpasses traditional manual methods. High-speed optical scanners equipped with artificial intelligence examine each kiwi in milliseconds. These systems can detect tiny surface defects, irregular coloration, or internal density variations that the human eye might miss. By analyzing thousands of data points per second, the machines ensure that only kiwis meeting exact standards move forward. This precision guarantees consistency in taste, color, and texture across every batch of juice. Once the fruit has been approved, preparation technology plays a crucial role in preserving nutrients. Peeling machines are calibrated to remove only the thin outer layer of skin, reducing waste and preventing unnecessary exposure of the flesh to oxygen. Oxygen exposure is one of the biggest threats to freshness, as it triggers oxidation that dulls color and degrades vitamins. By minimizing air contact and processing the fruit quickly, factories slow these natural reactions. Cutting technology is equally important. Uniform slicing ensures that all kiwi pieces are processed evenly during extraction. Uneven sizes could result in some pieces being overworked while others remain underprocessed, leading to inconsistent flavor and texture. Precision cutting systems ensure balance, which is essential for large-scale juice production where consistency defines quality. The heart of technological influence lies in juice extraction itself. Traditional high-speed blending or heat-based extraction methods can damage data enzymes and reduce nutritional value. Modern kiwi factories instead rely on cold press or gentle pulping systems. These machines apply controlled pressure to crush the fruit, releasing juice while generating minimal heat. This is critical because heat breaks down vitamin C, one of kiwi's most valuable nutrients. By keeping temperatures low, the juice retains its natural brightness, tangy sweetness, and fresh aroma. Filtration systems further refine the juice. Fine mesh filters remove seeds and excess pulp while allowing beneficial compounds to remain. The goal is not to strip the juice of character, but to create a smooth, drinkable texture that still reflects the fruit's natural profile. Advanced filtration technology ensures clarity without sacrificing flavor. Safety is another area where modern technology is indispensable. Fresh juice, by nature, is vulnerable to microbial growth. To address this without destroying freshness, factories use gentle pasteurization techniques. Instead of prolonged high heat, low-temperature short-time pasteurization is employed. This method eliminates harmful microorganisms in seconds while preserving taste and nutrients. Timing and temperature are precisely controlled by automated systems, leaving no room for human error. Some of the most advanced facilities go a step further by using high-pressure processing. This technology applies intense pressure rather than heat to neutralize bacteria. The result is juice that tastes remarkably close to fresh fruit, with extended shelf life and minimal nutrient loss. High-pressure processing represents a major leap forward in juice technology, balancing safety and freshness in a way that was not possible in the past. Throughout processing, sensors continuously monitor temperature, pH levels, flow rates, and oxygen exposure. These real-time measurements allow instant adjustments if conditions deviate from optimal ranges. Automation ensures that every batch of juice follows the same precise parameters, maintaining consistency across large production volumes. Quality control laboratories are another critical intersection of technology and safety. Samples from each batch are analyzed using advanced instruments that measure sugar content, acidity, microbial presence, and nutrient levels. Spectrometry, chromatography, and digital analysis tools provide fast and accurate results. This scientific oversight ensures that every bottle meets both regulatory standards and consumer expectations. Bottling technology is designed with equal care. Juice is filled into sterilized bottles in controlled environments that limit air exposure. Precision filling machines ensure exact volumes, preventing waste and oxidation. Caps are sealed instantly, locking in freshness. Labels and batch codes are applied automatically, enabling full traceability from bottle back to production run and source farms. Packaging materials themselves are chosen through technological testing. Bottles are designed to protect the juice from light and oxygen, both of which degrade nutrients over time. Whether glass or high-quality plastic is used, the goal remains the same: to preserve the juice exactly as it was at the moment of sealing. Cold storage and logistics represent the final technological safeguard. Temperature controlled warehouses prevent spoilage before distribution. During transport, refrigerated systems maintain stable conditions, ensuring the juice arrives at its destination with the same freshness achieved in the factory. Modern logistics software tracks inventory, shipment routes, and delivery times, reducing delays and maintaining quality. What makes all this technology remarkable is that its purpose is not to change the fruit, but to protect it. Every machine, sensor, and automated system exists to preserve what nature created. Technology does not add freshness, it prevents its loss. Without these systems, kiwi juice would quickly lose its vibrant color, sharp flavor, and nutritional value. Modern consumers expect juice that is consistent and naturally flavorful. Meeting these expectations on a global scale would be impossible without advanced processing technology. At the same time, modern factories are increasingly designed with sustainability in mind. Water recycling systems reduce waste, energy-efficient machinery lowers environmental impact, And byproduct recovery systems ensure leftover pulp and skins are reused responsibly. In the end, modern technology transforms kiwi juice production into a balance of science and nature. It allows factories to handle millions of fruits with the same care. Once reserved for small batches, it ensures that the juice remains fresh, nutritious, and safe without relying on artificial additives. And it guarantees that when a consumer opens a bottle of kiwi juice, they experience the true essence of the fruit. This is why technology is not just a supporting element in kiwi juice production, it is the backbone. From washing and extraction to safety and packaging, every technological step is designed to protect flavor, preserve nutrition, and deliver freshness from factory to glass.